Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is called What Makes You Giggle? What makes you giggle? What gives you a grin? Big bird in a tutu doing a spin? What makes you chuckle or tickles your tummy? A grouch birthday party where presents are crummy? Do giraffes give you laughs on a trip to the zoo? Or how about chimps? Monkey see, monkey do. A snuffleupagus race might just give you a smile. They go to the finish. Alice wins by a mile. What makes you laugh? What makes you giggle? A monstrous contest for noses that wiggle? Halloween's fun and so spooky you shriek. Hide and seek, trick or treat. Oscars can eek. What makes you whoop? Makes you squeal with delight. A day at the pool when the water's just right. Dive rings and water wings, snorkels and masks, flippers and floaties, and fountains that splash. What makes you snicker, golf or tee hee, a neighborhood cookout at Nonny Bird's tree? Make your own cupcakes with milk chocolate chips, maybe strawberries, raisins, or cinnamon bits, coconut sprinkles or butterscotch drops, and pink and white frosting to plop right on top. What makes you goofy? What makes you titter to trade silly faces with curly bear's sitter? A Twiddlebug's picnic with muffins and honey, or an all Grover rodeo. Now that would be funny. What makes you giggle, makes you feel really good, just a regular day in your own neighborhood. The end.